こんにちは、ゆうこ先生です。漢字コースを開講しました。Now I have opened a new course, 漢字 Startup course. So many students have requested a 漢字 course, so I knew I had to make one, and now I finally have one. This course is a startup course, so I guide you through the starting point of your 漢字 learning journey.And you will learn how 漢字 functions and how to use them in your Japanese. I know 漢字 can be very intimidating. Many Japanese learners are scared of 漢字. So I hope this course helps you gradually get used to using 漢字 in your own sentences. You can sign up through the link in the description box below.If the early bird discount is still available, the link automatically takes you to the discount sign-up page. Let me quickly explain what you are going to get in this course. This course helps you to get started with 漢字 from zero. The course is designed for complete beginners of 漢字. Learners get confused with Japanese 漢字 because there are many different readings for each 漢字 letter.So in this course, I'm going to focus on 漢字 words rather than individual 漢字 letters, so that you can remember 漢字 readings in context. The course provides a list of 250 漢字 words in a 20-page PDF file. I will introduce very basic 漢字 in this course.And then show you what vocabulary you can create with those 漢字. And then, you will learn how to use the words in sentences. There are lists of example sentences from each lesson. The list has 20 pages in total. I also provide worksheets for you to practice reading and writing.I recommend you to try the reading practice first. Check answers and learn the meaning of each sentence. And then, in the writing practice, try to recreate each sentence based on the meaning in English. This way, it's also going to be good practice for you to construct sentences in Japanese. The course comes with quizzes.Be sure to try the quiz after each section and test how much you can read the 漢字 words that you have learned. I also teach how to write each 漢字 letter in this course. However, in this digital era, writing 漢字 by hand may not be necessary. As long as you can read and know the meaning of 漢字 words, it may be enough for you.But I included writing lessons anyway because some students told me that they want to learn how to write 漢字. Also, in the near future, writing 漢字 by hand may become more like an artistic skill rather than a necessity. It will be a good skill to acquire anyway, so I decided to include writing lessons in this course. But it's completely your choice if you learn to write each 漢字 letter or not.I have shared a few sample lessons here on YouTube. You can watch those lessons and decide if this course is right for you or not. You can also download the entire lesson list below this video. I have already opened this 漢字 course to my students in my online school, and many have joined. I hope you join too and enjoy learning 漢字 in this startup course.では、コースの中でお会いしましょう。